bit easier. We're going to talk about homeowners insurance. For the most part, people buying a home for the first time usually don't think about homeowners insurance up front, when in fact it should be one of the top items considered in the decision-making process when buying a home. Typically, insurance is the item that most buyers think about when they are signing their loan documents or just before their loan officer calls them and asks them for the quote they should have received for their insurance, as your loan officer needs this figure in order to finalize the calculation of your monthly mortgage payment. At this point, you'll receive a referral to the lender's agent of choice, which, though they may be a great insurance agent, they don't really know enough about you and your family to determine the right policy for you. They are initially going to be inclined to write a homeowner's policy that fits the lender's needs and do a follow-up interview after the close of escrow. When looking at who to use for insurance, I have the following recommendations. Number one, who is the insurance agent for your vehicle? Do you currently have renter's insurance? Do your parents have a local insurance agent who knows you and your family? These would be my first choices when talking to an insurance agent. When you combine policies, auto, homeowners, life insurance, and others, you can end up with a great discount on your policy. But in order for the agent to make these determinations, there is an interview process that needs to occur, and these can take time. Start that conversation with an insurance agent no later than 72 hours after your offer has been accepted by the seller. So then you're ready at the close of escrow with all the insurance information. So what is homeowners insurance and why do I need it?
Home insurance is designed to protect your home. In layman's terms, the home insurance is designed to rebuild your home or replace the parts of your home that are damaged in the event of a covered loss. So like, let's take a fire, for example, and the garage burns down. The home insurance is designed to rebuild the garage. It's designed to have a liability package on there so that if somebody gets hurt on your property, you're protected. It's designed to replace your furniture in the event of the loss. It's just designed to put you back to where you were. I mean, it protects your asset, which is your home. And for most people, their home is their biggest asset that they will ever own in their lives.
So be careful. Make sure you get your insurance in effect and that it covers you for anything. First-time homebuyers should consider some of these features that affect insurance. How is the plumbing and the electrical in the house? What is the age of the home? Are things worn out or unsafe? In our last video, and if you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend you watch it. It's all about why you have a home inspection. And these are things that are covered in your home inspection. And your insurance agent, depending on the age of the home, may ask to see a copy of that report from your home inspector. Another feature is if the home has exposure to the elements with respect to earthquake or fire.
You tag along with the homeowner's insurance, flood insurance, earthquake insurance, and let's start with earthquake insurance because we're prone to earthquakes in California. Earthquake insurance is a separate policy in the state. Some companies still write it, but after the big Northridge earthquake, most of the insurance is written through the California Earthquake Authority. And it's basically a disaster insurance. It's high deductibles of 15%, and they can run as much as the homeowner's insurance policy itself. Flood insurance, that's a whole different animal. Us in California, we don't see too much flooding. There are aspects of the Antelope Valley, like Rosamond, that is in a flood map zone, and it can be lender required.
Those are separate policies that are not necessarily included in your monthly mortgage payment. You should have your new agent check to make sure the house is built according to the building safety codes and that the house is well built and that it hasn't had any disasters to it. The current homeowner can give you a report from their insurance agent as to whether there's been a loss history. But many times we're not dealing with real sellers anymore. So what you can do is have your personal insurance agent actually pull a loss history on many of the homes here in the Antelope Valley or wherever you may be. A few other factors that should be considered is to know what is covered and what is not. Review your homeowner's policy with your insurance agent. If not every year, at least once every other year. And as you have children or things change in your home, you should always have your insurance plan reviewed on an annual basis. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the real estate buying experience, getting through escrow, or whatever questions you might have, please give me a call. I'm Tamara Stoebe. I'm your local realtor, and I'm here to help you with the home buying process.